Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series on determinants. In today's lecture, first of all we will discuss content of the entire course covered in the lecture series on determinant. After we will discuss what is determinant, why we need determinant and definition of determinant. So now let's we start our first lecture. Introduction to the course contents. In this course, we will discuss determinants up to order 3 only with real entries. That is, determinant of order 1, order 2 and order 3. Properties of determinants. Minors and cofactors. Adjoint of a square matrix. Inverse of a square matrix. Applications of determinants which contain how to find area of a triangle using determinant, to check consistency and inconsistency of system of linear equations, that is whether system of linear equation has solution or not. System of linear equations in 2 or 3 variables using inverse of a matrix. At the last we will discuss previous year's paper solution for JEE and GUJSET. Now we discuss what is determinant using simple example of system of linear equation. A system of algebraic equations can be expressed in the form of matrices. For example, a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Here we consider system of linear equation with two variables x and y. Now matrix representation of system of linear equations a1 b1 a2 b2. Here first matrix contain the coefficient of x and y. This is the first row. First row contain first element coefficient of x, second is coefficient of y. Same way, second row contain coefficient of x and coefficient of y of second row, which is a2 and b2. Here x and y column matrix which contain variables is equal to c1 c2, the right hand side constant. Here this a1 b1 a2 b2 is known as a coefficient matrix and this one is denoted by capital A. This variable matrix x and y is denoted by capital X and this constant matrix is denoted by B. So matrix notation of system of linear equation is nothing but Ax equal to B, where A is what? A is a coefficient matrix. Now in previous standard you already learned for a system of linear equation using Cramer's rule how to find solution. Here we have two equations, a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. If we want to find the value of variable x and y, then what to do? First x equal to, here we take for value of x, replace the coefficient of x by c1 c2. Okay, so here according to Cramer's rule we get x equal to, first coefficient of x is replaced by constant c1 c2, coefficient of y is as it is, divide by coefficient of x and coefficient of y. If we solve this value, then what we get? Here this one is solved as c1 b2 multiplication minus c2 b1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here we get the value of x is this one. Same way, to find the value of y, what we do? Keep coefficient of x as it is and replace coefficient of y by constant. Denominator we keep as it is. After do the cross multiplication, so we get a1 c2 minus a2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. Now here observe the value of x and y. X and y is the solution of the system of linear equation, but in denominator what we have? We have the value a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Same way here we have a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So solution x and y exist if, what is the condition? The denominator is not equal to 0. That is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. Okay. So this one is nothing but the determinant of this one a1 a2 b1 b2, and this is denoted by determinant of a. So this one is nothing but determinant of a. Okay. So ultimately what is the determinant of a? Determinant of a is some real number. Okay. So here we have to keep in our mind, for every coefficient matrix A, for this system of linear equation, what is A? A is equal to coefficient matrix, this one. Okay, so for every coefficient matrix A, we have some real number. Okay, this one is a coefficient of matrix. If we write in this notation and we find the value of this, then what we get? We get a some number, some real number. So this real number is nothing but the determinant of A. Okay. Now from this, discuss definition of determinant. Now what we learn? To every square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n. Here what is the meaning of order n? Order n means this one is a matrix of order n by n. Means A is a square matrix. Okay. We can associate a number, either real number or complex number, called determinant of the square matrix A, where Aij is equal to ijth element of A. Obviously, previously what we discussed, suppose A matrix is given. So A matrix is a coefficient matrix, and obviously A is a square matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. For this, we can find the determinant of A. Okay. So what is the determinant of A? Determinant of A give us some real number. So from this, the exact definition of determinant is, if we consider M is a set of square matrices, K is the set of numbers, either real or complex number, and F is a function from M to K, is defined by f of A equal to K, where what is the A? A is a matrix, square matrix from the domain M. What we select? A is a square matrix from domain M. Under the rule F, this rule is nothing but the determinant. So determinant of A is what? K, and K belongs to this capital K, means this K is a real number. So what is the meaning of this? F of A gives us some real number, and this one is nothing but determinant of A. Okay, I think definition of determinant is clear. Now how to denote the determinant in symbolic form? It is also denoted by determinant of A, or we can write determinant of A or delta. For matrix A, determinant of A is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A, so we should take care of this. Only square matrices have determinants. If system of linear equation in which number of rows and number of columns are not same, means we get non-square matrix. So in this case, determinant is not possible. So determinant is possible only in a case of square matrix. So determinant is always square.